Hello, welcome back. In the previous screencast, I had discussed query 5.12 and I had implemented it through Mongo Shell. And now I will be implementing the same query using Mongo Atlas. So in this query, just to reiterate, we will be finding the top performing categories based on average views for each of the regions. So in order to do that, we will apply all these commands through Mongo Atlas. Now, in order to use Atlas, I had created an account on Atlas, and once I signed into it, it asked for a connection with Mongo Compass. That was an option, so I connected it with Compass, and since I had already installed in my system, and in Compass I had previously updated the database in the local host as well as in this cluster Mongo Atlas section as well. So we can see that YouTube's videos DB is there, and we have 1000 documents here. So as soon as I connected Mongo Atlas with Compass, so I could see this database reflecting here as well. So we have the 1000 documents here, and in order to do any kind of operations, so we have the aggregations here where I can add stage and do the operation. So before I do this, I'll just go through few other tabs like schema and index. So index is basically nothing but the unique primary key, so _id, which is there, and then we have the schema. So in schema we can have a quick look into some useful insights. For example, most used county is Wicklow and the lowest is Meath. Then we have the revenue, the upload year. So we had the most uploads in 2018, then a drop, and again increasing from 21. So such kind of quick insights we can get from the schema. And then we go to aggregations again, and I add stage. So here I had already prepared this one. I had run this one, and now I will create a new so that I'm able to start it from scratch. So in this query we did an unwind of category initially, so I will select the unwind here, and I will do a category. So we can see that the output is already there. We have a single category for all these documents. So next is the grouping of the region and the category, and generation of the average views. So I need a group operation. And we can see that the average views are there, or we can see the region and categories are also there. So next we want to sort it in the so that we have a average views descending order. So we do a sort. And in the end we do again a group. We do it for finding the top category for all these categories and using the first. So we do group operation, So we delete this one, we don't require fifth one. We can see that the ID is there, the category, the travel top category is there, and the best average views is also there. So when we run it, we get these three, which is the same output as what we got here. Ireland is having music and is having the best average views of 3087809.47. The second one is UK with education as top category, and the third one is the USA with the top category as travel. So this is very like quick insights. We can use Mongo Atlas. It's very efficient, and you can just drag and drop and create this kind of aggregations and run it. So in case if there is error, automatically it shows the error. And yeah, I will be moving to the next query. So the next query is 5.9, where we measure the region plus category combination performance and sort it as the best overall. So I had previously done this one and run the output as well. It was the same as what we had received here. So I will do it step by step here, and go to aggregations and go to create new. Initially we want to do unwind on the category, so I will add a stage for unwind and do a category. After this, I will do the grouping on the basis of channel, audience, region and category, and display the total views and average revenue using the sum and average function. So I have all this already there. I just have to select the group and put this code here, and we can see that the average views and total average revenue and the total views are there here. Now we will do the sorting on the descending order. So we will do the sort and we'll put the code here. So we can see that the average revenue, which is higher, is in the front. Then we have the lower one, 28988, 29923, and we have all the categories here. Ireland travel, Ireland history. So basically all these category and region combinations are there, which are providing the highest average revenue is having by Ireland and music combination. Now the fourth stage is to limit to 8. We just want to limit the output to 8. So it's limiting to 8 documents. So we can also sort it as well. So here the sorting was done through total views -1, descending order. We can also change it as per the average revenue per view. So we can have same thing here, and we don't need this one. Once we run it, so we have the same output as what we had got previously. So this is because I had add this extra. So island and music is the first one. Island and education is the second one. So the Mongo Atlas is a very useful tool, and I really liked working on it. And I did not find much difference between Mongo Atlas and Compass. More or less, this Mongo Atlas is more of a cloud tool. However, Mongo Compass is more of a like a system. You can have it on local. So maybe if you're not working online, so that helps working like local on a local database as well. If the database is too big and it's not there on the cloud, maybe Mongo Compass can help. Otherwise, Mongo Atlas is a really good experience. Thank you so much.